If your adult child needs a safe space to avoid offensive words, you failed as a fucking parent. If anything in my seminar offends you, blame your parents for raising a pussy.
Hey guys, just a quick reminder, me and my girlfriend are trying to buy an RV and a nice truck so that we can travel and help people on the road for free. We just want to travel around and see if we can give people a hand. We're trying to make these big purchases, so we are accepting donations. Anybody that would like to donate, there's a whole bunch of information down below for ways for you guys to donate for the information that I provide. We would love to travel around the world while we're in our 30s and just pick random people on our travels to try to help get their bike on the road for free. I will try to, once a month, once we get on the road, try to help at least 2 to 3 people during our travels. We'll pick a few people out of the pot. We'll have everybody throw their hand in there, and we'll see if we can pick some people to help on our travels, and just help them see if we can get their motorcycle or scooter on the road. I'll have a box full of parts of stuff. So anyways, to do that though, we need a little bit of help. We're still lacking a bit of money for our big purchases. So if you guys can help, please do. Let's get to the video. What's going on, guys? This one's an easy one. This one's a simple one. I see this all the time in the groups and the forums. Everybody's always like, I replace my headlight bulb and then it blows out either immediately or within a day or two. It blows out. Okay. There's really only 2 things that this can be on your scooter. Number 1, your voltage regulator. They're very cheap. They're like $4. I would suggest, if you're troubleshooting, to start there. Replace your voltage regulator first. If that does not solve the headlight blowing problem, then the next thing you have to do is replace your stator and your pickup coil. These are really the only 2 things that could be creating that problem, unless you have a bad wiring harness or wiring loom that you got positives touching negatives along the way. We hope it's not that, because that would mean that you would need an entirely new wiring loom for your scooter. But this one is a very easy solve. Okay, a lot of times what happens is the internals on the voltage regulator will get too hot and it'll start melting, and then those components will start seeping together inside of there, and you'll get weird power fluctuations throughout your scooter, which will end up causing out burned headlights, things like that, continuation of blowing fuses, all those kinds of things. That can normally be solved easily by just replacing the voltage regulator. There'll be a picture of it right here. And if that does not solve it, then I would check your stator, because a lot of times those can also start to fail and they will start bleeding power over as well. They're also really easy to get oil into the connectors, and that'll start causing power surging problems. So make sure you check your connectors. But other than that, guys, it's really the only 2 things that could be causing blown fuses or headlights continuing to pop and burn out like that. So I hope that helped you guys out. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, do all that wonderful stuff, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Toodles!